So what is up guys, welcome back to another video, and you probably already saw it in the thumbnail and the title. Thinking about selling my GTI.
I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for buses. I've been taking L's and I lost it, less. Addicted to money, I got an obsession. The trap is a sport, then it'll be my profession. Tell you the truth, I don't got no confessions. I don't know why lately I feel aggression. I'ma go get it, ain't waiting for buses. I keep taking L's and I lost it, less. And it's stupid, I blow my session, I'm still getting money.
To be honest, it's a fun car. It's always fun to drive. I don't really hate it or something like that. Yeah, I'm already used to the power that it has. It has now 275 stage 1, stage 2 is. I always say stage 2 in my titles for my videos because it looks just better. Little clickbait. Yeah, it has now 275 horsepower. I'm already used to the power a little bit. Kinda gets boring of driving the same car over and over. Oh, it's not boring when I drive this car, but I'm used to it. I want to try something else as well. Maybe something with a little more power. Maybe big turbo car, supercharged V8. So this has the DSG, not a manual. DSG is super fast, don't get me wrong. It is just way faster than manual cars. The DSG gearbox also has a tune, so it's also faster than stock. I can't lie, sometimes I drive a manual car that's slower or something like that, and it's just way more fun with shifting. Not for daily driving though, because when there are traffic jams, the DSG is just way better, way more nicer in traffic, instead of hammering your clutch all the time in a traffic jam. So for daily driving, this is perfect. It also has the comfortable leather seats. I think these are the most comfortable seats I ever been into. I haven't really been in luxury cars, but I think this is the most comfortable seat I've been in. This is really nice. It is sporty but comfort at the same time, because if you see here on the sides, it's really nice and it fits my body perfectly. So yeah, for comfort, this is quite nice. But I don't know, the manual life, I had a manual car before this car, didn't make videos back then. Yeah, that car was slow, but it was a manual. It was all stock and it only had 120 horsepower. It was a mini. Yeah, there's just something about manuals. It's just way more fun. Clutch kick it all the way down, especially if you want to slide your car. I know this is a front wheel drive car, so you can't really slide it, but yeah, if you want to do clutch kicks or I don't know, send the living shit out of this thing, it's just way more fun if you have a manual car, in my opinion. So maybe I want to try manual car, something like that. Don't get me wrong guys, this is such a fun car. The big thing why this thing is so much fun is of the exhaust, because as you guys know, I got a straight pipe on this thing. As you can see, there's just no cat. I only have one damper all the way over there. Can't really see it. That damper has some valves, so if the valves are open, then it's fully straight pipe. It's basically a 3-inch downpipe with a sport cat, and then the catback system is fully straight pipe. And like I told you, it has that valve system in the dampers, but it's basically fully straight pipe. So that's what makes this car so much fun. For that reason, I don't know if I want to sell it or not, because yeah, the sound that this car is producing is just insane. Well, as most of you guys know, I also installed this intake. Did it all by myself. This was pretty much my first engine modification ever I did myself. Feels like I'm a professional mechanic now after installing this thing, but that's already half a year ago since I did that. Time goes fast. And I know I said that I want to do a lot more modifications to this thing, but that's not gonna be engine wise for a while. The driving experience will be the same, I guess. I want to change some wheels, maybe do a rear seat delete so the car gets lighter. I think the car is gonna feel faster on that. And a diverter valve. Yeah, I know I still need it. Even after half a year, I still didn't buy a diverter valve. But I think I'm going for the GFB DV Plus. I don't know if that's the only one that you can get for this car, but it got the best reviews on it, so I'm gonna buy that. It's not that expensive, so I really need that to fix my boost leak and get a better throttle response. Yeah, that's probably the first thing I'm gonna do, and the only thing for a while to the car engine wise. But for the rest, it's just gonna be for the looks and maybe some downforce, stuff like that. But it's not gonna make a big difference power wise or driving wise. Yeah, it's basically gonna be the same for a while, and I'm pretty used to the car. Like I said, it's not boring, but I'm used to it, and I want to try something else as well. I'm just getting a little bit bored of driving the same vehicle over and over again. That's why I'm thinking about it, and that's why I'm making this video. But I'd like to get your guys' opinion on this. What would you do? Would you sell this car and buy something else? If I sell it, what should I buy? I don't know yet. I've been looking on the internet, and there are some cool cars, vehicles on there that I maybe want to try and build. Maybe I keep this car and get a cheap project car to work on. I'm just thinking about it. I'm not sure if I'm selling it. I'm not saying that I'm gonna sell it now. I'll probably make a video when I'm selling it, so you will definitely see when I'm selling it. For now, I'm keeping this thing, but I'm looking for some different options. Let's say it like that. And yeah, guys, I'm showing you the garage for now. I've been hiding it for a few videos. It's now fully finished, and we're gonna work on a 4th episode on this. All the 3 episodes are online. That's why I'm showing you this now. Like you see, there's no difference with the last episode, because we're still thinking about how we're gonna do the rest. But that will be for episode 4. So episode 4 haven't been made yet, but we're gonna make episode 4. The garage build is gonna continue, but for now it looks pretty nice. Yeah, showing you the garage a little bit. It's for a better angle of the cold start. That's why I did this. My car did a little bit with starting up. It never did that. Usually it goes all in one time, but now it took a long time just to start up, so I don't know what's the problem. And normally the car also warms up in the first minute with idling a little bit higher in the RPMs, like 1200 RPM or something, and now it was straight to 900. So I don't know what's wrong with the car. I still need to do a service though, but the oil is fine. But it could also be because I haven't started this car in like 2 weeks now. That's why she struggled a little bit. So maybe that's the case, that I didn't start her up for like 2 weeks. I don't know. If you guys know, let me know. There's also one thing I want to try in this video. I'm really thinking about doing a backseat delete. I'm gonna fold those back seats down.
King Charles had the bike, I was riding on the peg. I wasn't bored with the chicken, had to start off with an egg. But we made it all right, Holmes. We just talk about our pain when the mic's on. Like, I wasn't lit my whole life long. Spent summer, fall, winter, spring with the lights off. Damn, candles illuminated my home. Had to keep close around to let mama know that
Yeah, like this. I don't know if it's gonna make any difference in sound. We're gonna try this. Yeah, you clearly hear some difference in there. It just sounds like I'm having my windows down, but I'm actually having my windows up. I think a rear seat delete is way better for the POV experience. It is also way more fun for my experience. I don't know if it's better for daily driving. It definitely adds some good sounds. So that was a sort of warm-up drive. I've driven now for a few minutes and you hear some rattling sound in the back. That's pretty logic if you don't have back seats, but it's not that annoying. But I think if you drive for an hour or something, it's annoying. It was just to warm up the car, but who the f likes to drive slow in this car? I mean, I don't like that. The sound that this thing produces from the inside now, it's insane how big of a difference it is now. I think I'm convinced now after one pull. I think I need to get a rear seat delete kit or something like that. At least delete my rear seats, because the sound is insane, man. it is freaking busy today, man. An E53 AMG. I don't know about these V6 AMGs, but do you guys think I can get this car? Should I race him? I don't know if he wants to smoke though. Now he's probably faster than me, but V6 AMG. This is a fake AMG, man. There's a dude just following me on a motorcycle. I don't trust that. I didn't film, but I saw someone get pulled over by a police cop on a motorcycle. So I don't know if that's undercover police or something. Bro, I can't even do a pull to the speed limit. It's just so freaking busy on the roads, man. I don't know why, it's not even rush hour. Imagine what it is like in rush hour, man. So yeah, I'm back home and it's already getting a little bit dark, man. Getting dark so early. It's 4 o'clock now. It's freaking cold as well. My tires just wouldn't warm up. And I drove for an hour or something like that, but my tires are still cold. Even a few minutes back. I just sent it in second gear and my wheels just kept spinning. So I had to do a few pulls in third gear to get the power down. Just keep spinning in second gear. But it's good boost weather though. But yeah guys, should I sell it or should I keep it? Always when I'm driving this thing, it makes me smile. Also my feelings say that I want to try something else and I really want to have a manual car. Yeah, and the dream is of course a V8 or V10 or V12. But yeah, I haven't decided like I already told you guys, so the options are still open. Let me know what you should do. Should I sell it or should I keep it? And if I sell it, what should I get? Just let me know in the comments. But for now I talked enough to you guys, so if you like this video please leave a like, also drop a comment, subscribe to my channel, also follow me on my socials, TikTok and Instagram, R19 Robbin on both. And with that having said guys, howdo.
Finish doing this shit, get to jumping. Niggas ain't really on nothing. Duck from the ground and I brought it to something. Niggas gon' hate cause them niggas be frontin'. When he see me, that boy get to ducking. Yeah, tell them all of my niggas be bustin'. Ain't about the money, the end of discussion.